Welcome to MBBS Council. NEET 2021 candidate who secured qualifying score 108 under reservation category got MBBS Seat through MCC Round-1 Counselling. In this video, I am going to discuss the closing rank for deemed university medical colleges conducted by MCC. During 2020 MCC Counselling last year, the closing rank for Management Quota was 5.7 lakhs All India rank. And for NRI Quota, it was close to 8 lakhs, which is the qualifying score for the year 2020. This year, the NRI closing rank for deemed university is close to the qualifying score, 108. Surprisingly, for Management Quota also, the closing rank is 9,21,000. The closing NEET score is NEET 2021 qualifying score. Even though NEET score 138 is the qualifying score for NEET 2021, for reserved category students, admission is granted till 108 marks, which is the qualifying score for reserved categories. For all candidates who are allotted Management Quota or NRI Quota seat below NEET score 138, they should compulsorily produce their caste certificate while joining the allotted medical college. Do you know, even though NRI closing score is same as the qualifying score, only 250 NRI quota seats were allotted during the first round counselling. Close to 1,000 NRI quota seats are lying vacant because no one opted for those seats. During round 2 counselling, if there are any vacant NRI seats, they will be converted to Management Quota seats and filled by the MCC Counselling. So, if you have not got MBBS seat in your allotted college, you may have good chance to get the allotment during second round counselling. If you are looking for expert guidance to know your chance to get a particular deemed university medical college for your NEET rank during the second round counselling, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 330. Moreover, many students who applied in deemed university counselling will pick government college seats through All India Quota counselling or state quota seats in private medical colleges through their state counselling. Do you know close to 50 candidates got allotment in deemed universities in round 1, even though they have chance to get in government medical colleges according to their rank. If you have not got your preferred medical college during round 1, you may have good chance to get it during the round 2 counselling. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Contact helpline if you need expert guidance. See you in the next video.